Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an AWS integration with SuperAnnotate. So let's jump right in. So I'm going to start by clicking the avatar in the top right corner, and I'm going to click on integrations. This is the integrations page where you can find all your integrations and create new ones. So we are going to click new integration and choose AWS. So for the first step, we're going to type the integration name. It's going to be integration 3 for this video. For the second step, we're going to have to select a team or multiple teams. So I'm going to select one team only. You can definitely skip this step as it's optional, and you can add teams later on in the integrations page. So now we're going to create a policy. And to do that, we're going to add the bucket name right here. So it's going to be super demo bucket. And we're going to copy this JSON and we're going to use it to create a policy in IAM. So go to your IAM and under Access Management, click Policies. And in the Policies page, we're going to click Create Policy. And we're going to go to the JSON tab where we're going to add the JSON that we just copied. So we can definitely bypass this step. And we're going to give our policy a name, and it's going to be policy 3. And we're going to click Create Policy. So for the next step, we're going to create a role. And to do that, we're going to go to Roles, which is right above Policies, and we're going to click Create Role. So under Trusted Entity Type, click AWS Account and click Another AWS Account. So right here, they're asking us to enter an account ID, and we can find this in the integration setup page. We're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it. And under Options, we have to check the Require External ID box. And here they're asking us to enter the external ID, and we can also find this in the setup page. It's right here under Create Role. So we're going to paste it, and we're going to click Next. And now we are gonna select the policy that we just created, policy 3, and we're gonna click Next, and we are gonna give our role a name, and it's gonna be role 3. So we're gonna click Create Role. All right, so now we're gonna edit the trust relationship, and to do that, we're gonna click our role and go to the Trust Relationships tab. So now we're gonna edit the trust policy. So we have to go to our setup page, copy the JSON that is under Edit Trust Relationship, and we're gonna paste it here. And we're gonna click Update Policy. For the final step, we have to add the role ARN, which you can find in your role summary. It's right here. So we're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it. And finally, we're going to click Create. So we've successfully created the integration. So just to double check, we're going to check the connection, and it's valid. So now to see if everything is working, we are going to go to a project, and we are going to upload images. So integration 3, and we're going to click Upload. So we have to refresh the page. And as you can see, everything was uploaded successfully. Thank you for watching this video, and let us know if you have any questions.